Hello everybody and welcome to Outdoors Britain. In this episode we're going to do a little experiment or a sort of cold versus warm air temperature comparison with the HW100 to sort of find out if or prove that cold air temperatures definitely affect PCP rifles, especially the HW100. Now let's get into it. Okay, so the inside temperature or room temperature of the rifle is, as you can see on our thermostat, 20.5 degrees Celsius. Now to show you the outside temperature, we're going to have to go out to the Outdoors Britain car because that shows me what the outside temperature is. Okay, so now we're in the Outdoors Britain car. I'll show you what the temperature is outside. It is a very cold 3 degrees with an ice warning. So that is about the same as what it was out on the golf course the other night. Okay, so I've just drawn up a quick target just so that we know which is which. Now let's head outside and get on with the test. But just in case you were wondering what the background noise was, it was Outdoors Britain baby in her bouncer. Say hi, Outdoors Britain baby. Get out of the way, Outdoors Britain dog. You take up literally the whole frame. Right, let's go and put our target down range. That'll do. Right, first off, we're going to do the inside temperature. Right, now I'm going to swap the cylinders over to this cylinder. Now this cylinder has been sitting outside, at obviously outside temperature, for about 2 hours now to kind of replicate walking around the golf course the other night. Now I don't know if it will show up on the camera, but if we look at the gauge, if it will focus, I filled this up to 190 bar before I brought it outside, and as you can see it's already dropped to 170 and the cylinder doesn't leak. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. Right, let's get these swapped over and shoot the outside temperature group. A little bit of hiss, that's perfectly normal. Right, take that cylinder out. This is a Ratworks lightweight aluminium cylinder assembly with gauge. Now on goes the original Weihrauch cylinder. Take the dust plug out so it doesn't catch on the barrel. Cool, she will. That's the one. That's it. Dust plug back in so we don't lose it. Put this cylinder back in its protective cover. And put that out of the way. Right. Now on with the outside temperature group. And there you have it, a catastrophic drop in the point of impact due to the cold temperature. And also bearing in mind that this is only 20 yards in the back garden, imagine how much drop that would have on it at 50 yards. There you have it. The proof is in the pudding. Okay, so let's have a closer look at the results from our experiment. As you can see here, the rifle was zeroed at inside or room temperature, 20.5 degrees, and that was a 7mm bullseye, and all 5 shots hit that perfectly on zero. Now, without touching the zero, we swapped over the cylinders to the outside temperature cylinder, which had been sat in the garden for a couple of hours to let its temperature match the air temperature or whatever. So yeah, because then after that one shot, the actual 5-shot group landed all the way down here. Now, using Outdoors Britain boy's ruler from his pencil case, because I can't find the proper tape measure, let's measure just how low that is. So if we start from the centre of that bullseye, about there, to the centre of the group, that's about 16, 17, that's a 17 and a half, 18 millimeters lower. See if I can zoom that in and stay focused, if it will. Just a bit more. Yeah, so from about the centre of that bullseye, yeah, that's about 18-ish, 17, 18-ish millimeters low, and that is just from the air being colder. I think that just about concludes our experiment. Like I said, the proof is in the pudding. The results are right there in black and white. Cold air temperatures definitely affect PCP rifles, especially the HW100. I really hope you found this video informative. That is the end. Thank you for watching.